Hello guys, my name is Maritza Duran from MDen Consulting Services, and I have been successfully helping dentists for over 15 years through the operational development of their startups. Today, I want to walk you through the best practices for selecting insurances for your participation at your new dental practice. But before I do, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This is going to help us both grow, you in knowledge, as I will be sharing with you weekly tips and ideas you can implement immediately to help you build a strong foundation and grow your dental startup. And it will help me stay motivated and continue to put together content for you. I get calls all the time from friends that didn't know about my new ventures, and I see dentists post on social media questions or complaints about not having enough patients for their practices. There are many factors that contribute to not having good foot traffic at the beginning of your startup, and one of them is not signing up with the insurances more relevant to your practice. Here are 5 tips to help you come up with the best insurances to participate at your dental startup. Tip number 1, conduct a very good market analysis. Your site selection is the best indicator and predictor of the plans you will be participating with, the type of practice you'll be opening, the population you'll be serving, the people you'll be hiring, and the aggressiveness and strategies of your marketing efforts. How? Well, if your patient to doctor ratio is high, I've seen dentists who have open practices with a 500-to-1 ratio. Chances are you have to be open and receptive to accepting more insurances in order to stay competitive, or have a unique competitive advantage or service that you provide to set yourself apart from the competition. Tip number 2, market research for anywhere from 5 to 10 mile radius. So you made your selection, you have your location, now what? Well, now it's time to do some homework. Reach out to the local businesses in your area, strategically to those who employ more than 15 people, and to make it worthwhile, and find out what type of insurances they're being offered. This is a great way for you to warm yourself up to people in the community and start networking with them. This will also help you figure out what your target audience is like and use this information for your marketing efforts. Tip number 3. Now that you have created your payer mix draft, it's time to negotiate with insurances. Around this time, you've already discovered the plans that your immediate patients will have. Now the question is, how is their reimbursement? What you want to do is reach out to each of those insurance companies, request information for your enrollment consideration. Some insurances will be willing to negotiate with you directly, while some won't. The idea is for you to find the best reimbursement from the insurances most relevant to your practice without sacrificing your vision or worth. Tip number 4, know your break-even point and translate that into a patient count. Well, Maritza, what do you mean? Well, you're starting a business, right? Businesses come with lots of expenses. If you were selling a product, say a TV, you would know what price is going to be sold for from the start. You will know the price of this item before you start. But with providing a service, what you want to do is you want to calculate how much your expenses are, and using a tool I call a break-even worksheet, calculate the average dollar amount you will be producing based on the reimbursement of the insurances after you negotiate with them and the procedures that you'll be performing, and turn that into an actual patient count. It sounds complicated, but it really isn't. Tip number 5, always have an alternative plan. Always give yourself an what-if scenario or zero-based thinking. Be strategic and creative with every detail of your project. That is crucial for your business growth and for your own development. If you decide not to work with insurances that are relevant to your office, you have to come up with a plan to still attract those patients. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have found it useful. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd love to connect with you in more videos specific to your needs and your questions about your startup. You can post them in the comments below or send me an email at contactus@mdencs.com. You can also visit our website, mdencs.com, to find out more about our services, and I will look forward to seeing you next time.